What's up, guys? This is New Hampshire Outdoors here, and I'm back with another video. And yeah, I'm at I'm in the car right now. Yeah, I'll be going trout fishing. At I don't know what this is, but you can read that. And yeah, I'll be going trout fishing over there and see if we can catch any trout. You know, there's my brother and his friend. There's and yeah, I think we're gonna go to multiple places. I don't know yet. If we do, I will make separate videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, peace. And before I start the video, I just want to say that I forgot my chest attachment, so I'm using my head attachment. So yeah, peace. This bait. I'm just showing this. I should be using this bait. I don't know if you can see it. And yeah, I'm just gonna set it up. Yeah. Here we're at this pond. Sorry for the this way. It's really windy out, as you can tell it's New Hampshire. It's really windy out. Camera recap. Yeah. Get it. I think I got one bite when I was reeling in, but I didn't catch it. If we can. I can't see it. So if I don't talk that much. My brother got one. I caught line. Oh, nice. MashaAllah. Let me see. Let me show. Show the camera. My brother just caught one. See that? Oh, it's tiny.
Oh, it's bleeding.
Sorry. Hey. Is that rainbow? Why?
Because it's
No.
bad.
We're gonna take it. We have to take it.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, dang. He caught it. What did you use?
Please, not where?
One. I got line. I mean, bunch of line. Okay, the doji. Come here.
This is my festival, my way. Oh my gosh, my miles.
So this is what I caught, guys. If you come to my fishing spot. Yo, I need a bobber too. Come here, neck on. That was a tiny one. I don't know how big though, but thing was tiny. This is what I caught. I'm using sunrise halibut, but this is why I caught a bunch of line. Maybe you can see that. Look at it. A bunch of line. I don't know what the heck there came from, but yeah. I'll get back to you when something else happens. Yeah? Ah, it's tiny. I got one, guys. Perch? Yeah. It's a perch. It's not. It's a perch. Show the camera.
Huh? It is. Oh, too small.
Let me show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera. Let's go. Let's go. Already. Yeah, perch. So we caught one trout, which is tiny. It was tiny. I think it was a baby, and then one yellow perch. I'm fishing on a bar. It's easier. Okay, guys. I'll start recording when I see something. I'll watch yours. I'll watch yours. You get it.
Yeah. It's a brook.
Brookie? Try it, brook trout. Where's the hook?
Yeah. You on it?
Huh?
Yeah. I recorded.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Right there. Yeah?
Yep. Yeah, take your files. So here are the fish that we caught. I'm just gonna put it now. This is the fish that I caught. Oh, and they're warm. Still alive. You can tell. Pretty big. No, it's not so big. Yeah. This is what my brother caught. This one's a... I mean, yours is a brook, right? No. Brown. So this one is a brown. This one's done for. And yeah. And why is it brook trout? We just put it back in the water.
Hey. You got it, man.
He got one. Which one is that? Is that brook?
Yeah.
He handlined. Is it called handline? He handlined a fish. One caught up on. My rod got caught up on his rod.
You're gonna have to cut it, dude. That line over there.
Yeah, I might have to cut it. Want me to add that to the collection?
Hey, this is mine, man.
No, the fish. You want it? Oh, do you have one?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know what? Dang. Huh?
No, shut up.
Hey, man. What did I say?
Shh. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna eat you for stuff. Shh. You can get eaten, so like. I'm gonna get that poker putts.
Hey, buddy. I can't leave it.
Okay, Stubby, you want to put it near us? Ours? Never to the right when you're fishing. So he caught two, one trout, one perch. I caught two. He just caught. I mean, you caught. How much did you catch? How much did you catch? One trout, two perch. With the worm. Okay. Yeah, we might have to cut up this line. What? Hey. Okay, guys. That's gonna be end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I caught 2 fish, 1 trout, 1 perch. I think yellow perch, pretty big. And my friend, he caught 1 trout and 1 tiny perch, and my brother got 1 trout, 1 perch. I mean 2 perch, but they were small. So I pretty much won today. I caught a bigger trout than both of them, and I caught a bigger yellow perch. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want more fishing videos, just leave a like down below. And yeah, peace. And by the way, I know my hands messed up. That's weird because I was wearing that headband all the time. So yeah, and plus, so this is the same river that we were fishing in the beginning, but we were fishing different spots of the river. So this is the last river. There's other 2 spots that we were fishing, and yeah, it's the same river though. It's just different spots of the river. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and yeah.